Hi everybody. Today I'm going to do a series of short videos that will each include a math activity that the kids could work on either on their own with others like brothers and sisters or grown-ups at home, or you could work as a whole group all together, including all different kinds of age levels and math abilities. The first activity that I'm going to share with you is a math activity called Fill the Stairs. This year's third grade class and this year's fourth grade class are very familiar with this math activity, and it was also something that we shared last year during math night. It's an awesome math activity. It gives everybody a chance to really do all different kinds of things. The best part for me, I think, is that you can see someone else's math thinking, and that's going to get you to start thinking a little bit more like them and also learning from them as they show what they're thinking. So the first thing that you're going to need for Fill the Stairs is you're going to need a blank piece of paper. You're also going to need 4 dice. If you don't have dice, you can use a deck of cards and use those as your numbers. If you don't have dice or cards, it doesn't matter either. You can just choose 4 numbers that you want to work with for that particular round. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to draw a set of stairs on your piece of paper. You can draw 6 of them or you can draw 11 of them. To start this activity, I'm going to draw 6 of them. I'm sure you can also see my helper right here in the video. She's not been very helpful today, but hopefully she won't take our materials away. So I'm going to draw the stairs. So my board is now going to look like this. On that board, I'm going to put numbers under each stair. I'm going to start with 0, and then I'm going to number them up to 5. If you want to do the 11 stair board, you're going to do 0 to 10. You could also do 0, 5, 10, 15. I think you get the idea. So a board that's ready will look like this. The next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to roll my 4 dice. Those are going to be the numbers that are going to be used to fill these stairs. So this time I rolled a 4, a 4, a 3, and a 2. So the way to do this math activity with different levels would be you can have a younger mathematician take the 2 die and recognize that there's 2 dots there and draw those 2 dots on the board for 2. You might have a mathematician, say in 2nd grade, who recognizes that to fill the stair for 2, you could take 4 minus 2 to fill that stair. You could also have a mathematician in a higher grade, like 3rd grade, 4th grade, 5th grade. They might recognize that 4 divided by 2 would equal 2. So this is the Fill the Stairs activity. It is a fun, multi-level activity. If your child is doing it on their own and you're wondering and worrying about if they're actually doing anything, the way that you can check the work that they're doing and give them some feedback on it would be to look at the board once they're finished. If they're starting to feel frustrated or like they can't find ways to fill the stairs with the amounts that they have, there's nothing wrong with changing amounts. One also important note is to remember you can use all different kinds of operations when you're doing this math activity. So like I said, for your younger learners, maybe your preschoolers, your kindergarten learners, you can have them recognizing numbers or using their early basic facts, and that would be basic facts under 5. If you're working with 1st graders, 2nd graders, you can have them working with their addition facts within 20. 2nd graders, you can have them working with their addition facts that go a little bit higher. As you get into the upper grades, 3rd grade, 4th grade, 5th grade, 6th grade, they can be working with operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, also including things like parentheses. So let me see if I can find a good example of that for you. Let's see, we had, perfect. So we had the numbers 4, 4, 3, and 2. What we could do for that, we could do, let's see, we could use parentheses and do, I thought I just had one and then I forgot it. We could do 4, here we go. We could do 4 times 2 in parentheses, which would give us 8, minus 3, which would give us 5, to fill the stair for 5. Sorry about the delay, but you can see that even mathematicians who do this math activity a lot have to do some really great thinking. So remember, lots of different ways to do it. Lots of different ability level players can play at the same time. I hope you enjoy this activity, and I hope you check out the next activity in the next video. Happy math!